Hello children, welcome to my class. Today I'll teach class 10th biology portions. How do organisms reproduce from the remaining portions, that is the last portion. In my previous video I have taught you about sexual reproduction, male reproductive system, female reproductive system, fetus generation, birth, menopause, menarche, all these things I taught. Now the next thing is birth control. So generally birth control means population control. Population control. Now, what is the need to control population? First of all, our India, it is the second largest, biggest country in the world of population. Means that in every 2 seconds, a child is taking birth. See, that means so much is the birth rate, and many children, one parent is having more than 2, 5, 6, 7, 10 like this. Many children are there. So this means that if more children are there, if more people are there, then the resources will be very less. Food will be divided and nobody can get food. Clothing will be divided, very less clothing. Opportunities also will be divided. So in this way the birth control should be controlled. So what it is telling, earlier people used to have large families, but now large families resulting in the cause that too much food, too much clothing, too much money, everything was more. But now it is changed to small family, which will result that less effort and more, means less we can spend and we can get more and greater things. That means food for everyone, clothing for everyone, and so many things. So this is the birth control. So it is generally said by the government that you should have only 2 children, means a couple should have only 2 children. That is why government say that you should go for birth control methods. So to stop this birth control, we will prefer some of the birth control methods. So you can write, there are 4 types of birth control methods. So we will start with the birth control methods. Birth control methods. Birth control methods, there are different types of methods by which the population control or the birth control can take place. So let me tell you one by one. The first is barrier method. Second is chemical method. Third is your surgical method. Okay, excuse me. And the fourth is IUCDs, using of intraurinary contraceptive device. This also I'll tell. So total 4 methods are there. So barrier method, chemical method, surgical method, and IUCDs. So we will talk in detail about this. So first of all, we will talk about barrier method. Birth control methods. First is the barrier method. First method, barrier method. Barrier means stopping. We know that a sperm goes and meets with the ovum to produce a zygote. In result, to stop this or to stop this movement, a barrier can be used, or a loop or barrier can be used, so that it helps to stop the sperm reaching ovum. As a result, no reproduction can take place. Okay, so it will help in this barrier method, so that no sperm will reach the ovum. So what are the barriers used? Generally, in case of males, these are the loops called condoms are used, and in females they use the diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm. They wait, or they make sure that the sperms and ovum do not meet with each other. So these are the barrier method. Okay, as well as what they will do, they will help to stop transmitting of diseases like AIDS. Okay, they will prevent this from transmitting from one person to another person. So this is what barrier method. And then the second method, is chemical method. Excuse me, my pen is not working. Please wait for a while. So the second method, what I was telling, is chemical method. This is done by taking chemicals such as pills. Pills means medicines. Pills to avoid pregnancies. Okay, what they do, they avoid pregnancies. Okay, so what kind of pills are there? Oral pills and vaginal pills. Oral pills and vaginal pills. Okay. Oral pills have hormones to stop females, to stop the release of, just write it here, to stop the release of ovum in females. Means these pills, they will stop the release of egg from the ovaries. So this is called oral pills. Okay, then they have some side effects. Some side effects are also there. Means if too much oral pills they will take, then they can go through some side effects like body pain, backache, okay, hormonal imbalance, etc. Then next is vaginal pills. Vaginal pills have chemicals that can kill the sperm. Means vaginal pills can kill the sperms. What you call as the eye pills. Eye pills generally kill the sperms. Okay, so this is all about your different type of chemical method. Then the third method. The third method is surgical method. By operations or by surgery, this method can be used, or by surgery, the sperms and ovum can be stopped to meet each other. So what is that? Let us to study. So we'll discuss this. In males, you can write this one. In males, a small portion of sperm duct or vas deferens is removed by surgery and both the cut ends are tied properly. Means the vas deferens above the testis, a small portion is cut and both the cut portions are tied properly. This prevents the sperm from coming out. Means the sperms will not come out. Okay, this prevents the sperms from coming out. Okay, this process is called as vasectomy. Vasectomy. VASCTOMY. Vasectomy. Okay, means the sperm duct will be cut and tied properly. Not properly, small portion. They will tied properly, so sperms will not generate out. As a result, this is a process called as vasectomy. Then the next, in females, the same thing also happen. In females, a small portion of oviduct means fallopian tube. Okay, oviducts are removed by surgery and both the cut ends are tied properly. This prevents the ovum from entering into the oviduct. This process is called tubectomy. Okay, vasectomy in males, tubectomy in females, the same process but in different areas. So this is surgical method. Then the fourth one, IUCDs. Then the fourth one, IUCD, intraurinary contraceptive device. This is called as copper T. It is inserted inside the vagina or inside the uterus. Inside uterus, resulting in the destroying of sperms. Okay, it is the copper T which is placed inside the uterus so that zygote implantation or zygote will not be formed, sperms will be killed. Okay, it is removable, it is temporary, so that if a female wants to get impregnated, then she can remove it and get pregnant. So this is a small thing. Next is that stop female feticide. A small topic. Earlier days, people used to differentiate between male child and female child, girl child and boy child. People used to think that boy child is very good, female child is very bad. So that is why they used to kill the girls. That is, by knowing in the labs, they used to know that this is a girl child, so they used to kill it in the womb of the mother. So that is female foeticide. Okay, means killing the female baby. Later, government banished those labs, and they have warned that if anybody will do like that, if any parents or any in-laws or the doctor who will do this one, they will be suspended and taken to the jail. So that is why we should not differentiate between girls and boys. If this will continue, then what will happen? If we'll kill only the girl childs, then in India there will be more males, less females, and no this no generations will take place. Okay, then the last is STDs. That is sexually sexually transmitted diseases. Diseases that are transmitted through sex are called STDs. Very common, we know that AIDS, HIV, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is the virus which kills our immune system and it generates more and more cells by which we cannot get well. AIDS. Next is your gonorrhea. Gonorrhea. Okay. And third one is your syphilis. Okay. They are infections by bacteria. Urinating problems, etc. are going through these two things. This is curable. These two are curable. Medicines will be taken, then these both are curable. But AIDS is not curable. No cure is there for AIDS. So this is all about your sexually transmitting diseases. More is there in the book. You can read that one, and I think you know more about it, more and more. So let it be. Any doubts you can ask me through the phone, and we will study the next chapter, that is what is that? Heredity and evolution. That also videos are there. I'll make the videos and I'll post it. If you are having any doubt related to any topic, you can ask me individually so that nobody can get affected. And please stay at home and take precautions so that you can also stay away from corona. Thank you.